Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Elegant simplicity, French Parisian garden design ideas. The charm of a French Parisian garden lies in its unique blend of formal structure and romantic, untamed beauty. Unlike the vast scale of classic French formal gardens, these urban oases are designed for intimacy and elegance, transforming even the smallest balcony or courtyard into a slice of paradise. They are a study in contrasts, where geometric precision meets a lush, living tapestry of foliage and flowers. Embracing a Parisian garden style is about creating an outdoor room, an extension of your home meant for living and lingering. The goal is to craft a space that feels both curated and effortlessly charming, a private retreat that whispers of sophistication. Here are 3 key ideas to capture that coveted je ne sais quoi in your own outdoor space. At the heart of every Parisian garden is a sense of order and balance, a principle borrowed from the grand jardin à la française. This begins with a strong geometric layout that defines the space and creates a feeling of harmony. Think of using low boxwood hedges to create parterres or formal patterns that segment the garden into clean, symmetrical beds. Gravel or stone pathways are essential, providing crisp lines that contrast beautifully with the softness of the plants. This structured foundation doesn't feel cold because it acts as a canvas for the profusion of plants that will grow within it. Ultimately, this framework brings a sense of calm and intention, making even a lush garden feel organized and serene. The planting style in a Parisian garden is lush, abundant, and unapologetically romantic, creating a delightful contrast with the formal structure. The color palette is typically soft and refined, focusing on shades of green, white, lavender, and pale pink. Lavender is a quintessential choice, offering structure, fragrance, and that iconic Provençal hue. Climbing roses are another staple, trained to scramble over walls and arches to create vertical layers of blooms and scent. To achieve the coveted lived-in elegance, incorporate plants that spill over pathways, like soft catmint or trailing ivy. This controlled profusion is key, creating a tapestry of texture that feels both intentional and wonderfully wild. A Parisian garden is not just for looking. It is an outdoor living room designed for relaxation and entertaining. The furniture you choose should be as elegant and timeless as the garden itself. Opt for classic wrought-iron bistro sets. A simple table and 2 chairs are the undisputed symbol of Parisian balcony life. For larger spaces, consider a sturdy, wooden bench or a comfortable set of armchairs with weather-resistant cushions in muted, sophisticated tones. These elements add to the garden's architecture and provide inviting spots to enjoy a morning coffee or an evening aperitif. Finally, the strategic placement of these furnishings creates intimate nooks, encouraging you to slow down and savor the beautiful sanctuary you have created.